Hello guys, today our group will present our topic, oil spill prevention and response systems. Prevention technologies on board. Oil spill are among the most serious environmental issues in the shipping industry because they can cause severe damage to marine life, coastal communities and the economy. In the presentations, we will explain oil spill prevention technologies used on board ship, discuss a real case study, analyze the environmental impact, and present several recommendations to improve oil spill prevention. So, stay tuned. Welcome back to me again. So, an oil spill is the release of oil into the sea due to accident, equipment failure, or human error. Oil spill can happen during loading, unloading, bunkering, ship collisions, or grounding. As international shipping continues to increase, more oil is transported across the ocean every day. Therefore, preventing oil spill is very important to protect the marine environment. Modern ships now use advanced technologies and follow international regulation to reduce pollution risk. Welcome back to me. So, next I will explain about the causes of oil spill. There are several common causes of oil spill. These include ship collisions, ship running aground, equipment failures, pipeline leakage, full transfer accident, and human error. Among these, human error remains one of the leading causes. Proper crew training and regular maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of oil spill.
Okay, today I want to explain the prevention technology on the boat. So, the ship today are equipped with a different technology to prevent the oil pollution. First is the hull design, which they provide the extra protection if the outer hull is damaged. Second is the oil water separator, which they remove oil from the engine room wastewater before the discharge. Third is a oil content monitor, which the continuously measure the oil level is discharged water. Finally, the automatic tank causing the system monitoring oil level inside the cargo tank and prevent overflow during the loading operation. Next, I want to explain the response system. In the international to prevention technology, ship must have the emergency and response system. Every ship carry a shipboard oil pollution emergency plan, also known as a SOPEP. This plan explain what is a crew should do during the oil spill emergency. Ship also have the emergency shutdown system that immediately stop cargo transfer if the leak and detect spill response kits of the spot pad, boom, and protective equipment are available on the boat. Regular crew training and emergency drill ensure that everyone know their responsibility. Okay, the last slide from me. Okay, international regulation. Oil spill prevention is supported by the international regulation developed by the International Maritime Organization, IMO, MARPOL, and Annex. Set a strict requirement to prevent the oil pollution. Ship must use the approvable pollution prevention equipment, maintain an oil record book, and ensure the oil water discharge into the sea contain the less than the 50th part per million of the oil.
An oil tanker ran aground today off the nation's northernmost ice-free port, Valdez, Alaska.
One of the worst oil spills in U.S. history brought Americans images of blackened beaches.
Right now, we are going to talk about the case study. We continue with the topics. This case, we've learned about is the Exxon Valdez incident that happens in 1989, that happens at Alaska. About 37 tons of crude oil, or in other words, 11 millions of gallons of crude oil was split at the ocean into the sea. This is because of the human error. This accident is one of the most famous oil spill happens in 1989 when the Exxon Valdez tanker struck the reef in Alaska. After the investigation, it shows that the accident was mainly caused by human errors, navigation mistakes, and crew fatigue. This disaster became a turning point for improving tanker safety around the world. These oil spills have serious environmental consequences. Marine animals such as fish, turtles, and other otters may die after being exposed to oil. Coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrasses beds are also damaged. Fisheries and tourism industries suffer economic losses because contaminated waters cannot support normal activities. People involved in cleanup operations may also experience health problems due to exposure to toxic chemicals. After we learn about the case study, we have provided some lessons that we have learned from this accident. The Exxon Valdez accident taught the ship industry many valuable lessons, not only for the ship industry but also for us. Today, most oil tankers are built with double hulls. Navigation systems have been improved, and the international regulations are much stricter. Lastly, the crew members now receive better safety trainings, and emergency response planning has become an essential part of ship operations.
For the recommendation to future reduce oil spill risk, shipping companies should improve preventive maintenance and regular inspect equipment. The new technology such as artificial intelligence and smart sensor can detect the leaks earlier. The emergency drills should be conducted frequently and to improve emergency by sharing resource and expertise. Finally, the shipping industry should continue investing in green shipping technology to protect the maritime environment. So, for the conclusion, oil spill preventive is essential for protecting the maritime environment and ensuring the sustainable shipping. Technology such as double hull tanker, oil water separator, and emergency response system have greatly reduced pollution risk. However, the technology alone is not enough. Proper crew training, strict regulation, and responsible management are equally important. By working together, the shipping industry can continue reducing oil spill, accident, and protecting our ocean for the future generation.